Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's workshop. So, this is a small haul. I just want to show you some items that I purchased individually for some specific projects that are coming up. And a lot of the purchases were too small individually to show one at a time. So, I put them all together in this one haul. Now, this is a set of toiletry, or I will call it vanity set items that I'm going to need to outfit one of the rooms in the rooming house. I really love the detailing on these tiny pieces, and these are made by a company called Bond. Their kits and pieces are very finely detailed. I'm really glad to have found them. Actually, secondhand off of the website. And this is by the same company. It's another kit. I really, really like this particular bathroom set, and I was really tickled to find it with all the components in it all together, new in the box, because I really like the style of the sink, and I actually have it in the rooming house bathroom. So it's great to be able to do a whole bathroom with this kit. Now, I also found a couple furniture pieces, but they turned out to not be what I was really looking for. Although the pieces are very detailed and very nicely made, the texture on the piece looks very authentic, like real wood grain. The doors and the drawers open, and it's in great condition, but it's plastic and it's way smaller than 12 scale. I would say that it's probably 1/24 scale. So just to hold the pieces next to each other and look at the size of the 12 scale piece and this dresser, it's a world of difference. So yeah, I'm gonna have to contact the seller regarding these pieces. They're not bad. They look really great. They're just not the right scale. So I'm gonna just set that to the side. I'll probably keep it, but I just want to let them know it's not as it was listed. Now, I do have some other smaller pieces. Now, dolls, I do make a great deal of my accessories for my doll houses and my dolls. There's some things I don't want to make, and I'm really not interested in learning how to make. So these are the things that I choose to save my coins for, and I purchase them because some things are just so adorable, they're just worth collecting. So these are definitely pieces I'm going to need for my upcoming projects, and I thought they were absolutely adorable. So I just have to show you dolls. Now these are some little Mary Jane shoes, little shoes for little girls with the strap. I thought they were adorable, very cute, very delicate, and I think they'll look really good in the girls' room. And I also got a cash register here. Now it's a nice cash register. It's great scale. It's got nice detail, but it looks a little new to me, so I'm definitely going to have to age it and do a little bit of my scuffing up to make it look more authentic to my scene. But I really like the size and the detail of it. It's got a good weight too. I bought two pair of the Mary Jane shoes. I also bought some stacks of cash. Every dollhouse needs some money. Again, I love the detailing, and I thought it was adorable that they had the little straps on the bundles of cash. I thought that was a really, really nice touch. And I also bought this little jar. Now, I'm not really even sure what I'm going to use this for, but it just was absolutely adorable. I actually thought I'd be able to use it as a cash jar, but the money's too big. It won't fit. So yeah, several of these items I bought in sets of two because I felt like they were things that I would be able to use in more than one house. Never thought in a million years I'd have more than one house to outfit. Now, yes, I definitely bought two of these, and it was something for the babies. Although all the mothers in my doll houses nurse their babies, they definitely still have to have bottles on hand for if some of the other ladies of the house are watching the babies. I guess it's still something precious about seeing a bottle because it's symbolic that there are babies around. So let me show you this beautiful little set of cast iron cookware. I was truly tickled to find these and to see how finely they're made. They really are cast iron. They're really tiny. The scale is perfect, spot on. And the detail, the time they took to make sure they were smooth and nice and really authentic looking, I'm really, really impressed. And so I've got two little skillet. I've got a Dutch oven, two little metal pans, and then a larger skillet. But I can just see them right now hanging on the wall in the upcoming kitchen to the other house. So I'm just doing some prep work and preparing for the decor for that next house. So these are the little accessories I have that I've got set aside for the newly acquired property. Now, these next items are not necessarily for the newly acquired property, but they were just a great price and I had to get them. Look at this beautiful door. It is absolutely stunning. Now, it would definitely be for a bigger house because it's such a grand door and such a beautiful opening. But the price was so great, I just had to get it. So I didn't just buy it at random. I do have a couple other houses I'm going to need to outfit. And this is a false door. It's a non-opening door that you use to create an entryway or exit for rooms that don't have doors or openings. So I definitely needed to have that on hand because I've got some other projects coming up. So that's what I got as far as construction pieces. Now, I bought quite a bit of fabric because I do have several fabric projects that are coming up soon. I need to do some more curtains and I need to do some beds and I'm dressing more dolls. So I definitely didn't want it to be where everybody's wearing the same outfit or all the curtains are the same color in the house. And again, you really have to shop around for really small print fabrics that are nice cotton weight. A lot of time fabrics that are good for quilting are really great for doll houses because they're generally cotton, but finding really tiny prints that you like sometimes can be a challenge. So I really felt grateful to have found this little bundle. And so I'm putting it aside. I'm just kind of showing you the samples of the pieces in this little bundle or collection. So I'm really, really pleased because I'm excited about all the wonderful things I'll be able to make for the house and for the dolls. I truly feel like my brain is kaleidoscoping, thinking of all the different things that I want to make, but I better set them aside so they won't distract me from the things I've already got prepared for you dolls. Sometimes I feel like the ideas are endless and there are just not enough hours in the day. Now, if you dolls enjoyed this video, definitely let me know in the comments. Also, like, share, and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.